Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing with you all how I made spaghetti bolognese. So if you want to see how I made this meal, do not go away, keep on watching. So here are the ingredients I'll be using. So here's my minced meat. It is like this because I took it out of the freezer and allowed it to melt. Here is my pureed tomato. Here is fresh tomato, onion and bell pepper blended together. Here I have my stock cube, bay leaf, I have here salt, garlic powder, black pepper, I think, okay, here also I have my garlic. So I think that's basically all I need for the bolognese sauce. Now let's make our sauce. I have a pot on fire. I'm just going to pour in some amount of extra virgin olive oil. You can use vegetable oil if you want. So next I will allow the oil to heat up a bit and I'll pour in my diced garlic. In this case it can be diced onion for those who love onion, or you can use both onion and garlic. So when the garlic is stir frying, just add in your minced meat. I will leave the quantity I use in the description box down below. Now start stirring until you notice the minced meat is going brownish. So as you can see, the color has changed to brown. So now it's time to add other ingredients. So the next thing, I'm just going to pour in my blended tomato, pepper and onion. I'm going to add in my pureed tomato a bit, not so much. Depends on how you like it anyway. Now stir together. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Next, I'm going to add in salt. My bay leaves go in. My powdered garlic, add a bit. Black pepper. Stock cube. Stir everything together and leave to cook for another about 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, our bolognese sauce is ready. It is very easy to make. It doesn't take much time, and this sauce was very tasty, guys. So the next step now, we're going to make our spaghetti. As for the spaghetti, put a pot with water on fire, allow it to heat up, but before then put a bit of oil in the water. This is to make the spaghetti not stick together. Cover and allow to boil a bit. This is the pasta I'll be using. I like using size 10 because it's tiny. So now put in your spaghetti in the hot water. I prefer to break mine because my kids can't eat it long. Next, stir together by trying to use your fork to separate them. Add in salt to taste. Now cover and allow to cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. So this is after about 20 minutes. The pasta, the spaghetti is done, but I like adding butter on mine to make it fluffy. Or is that the right word? So that's what I'm doing here. So spaghetti is fully done and ready to be served. So here is my spaghetti and my bolognese sauce. Just take a look at that sauce. Doesn't it look nice? So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.